Step 6. Install the receiver, buzzer and safety switch. Plug the 3-pin DuPont cable into the PPM port of the receiver with the white wire on top. Plug the other end into the RC port of Pixhawk, with the black wire on top. Plug the buzzer wire into the corresponding port and fix it on the arm using double-sided tape. Insert the safety switch wire into the corresponding port, and place the switch in convenient position. Use zip tie to secure the receiver to the arm. Use 3 zip ties to fix the safety switch firmly.